Hello friends, in today's video, we are going to compare Realme C35 versus Redmi Note 11 with full specifications like display, design, performance, Antutu benchmarks, and price, and are going to know which is the best smartphone for you. So friends, please watch the entire video and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let's start with a display comparison. In a comparison of screen size, Realme C35 has a 6.6 inches screen, while the Redmi Note 11 has a 6.43 inches screen. If you look at the display type, Realme C35 comes with an IPS LCD display, while the Redmi Note 11 comes with an AMOLED display. Realme C35 has a resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels, whereas the Redmi Note 11 has a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. Realme C35 has a 401 pixels density, while the Redmi Note 11 has 409 pixels. In the aspect ratio, both these phones are equally comes with a 20:9 ratio. In a comparison of screen to body ratio, Realme C35 has 84% and Redmi Note 11 has 84.5%. In a refresh rate comparison, Realme C35 supports only 60 Hz higher refresh rate, while the Redmi Note 11 supports up to 90 Hz higher refresh rate. Realme C35 comes with Panda Glass display protection, while the Redmi Note 11 comes with Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Friends, let's make a design comparison between these two phones. Looking at these two phones' physical height, Realme C35 has 164.4 mm, while the Redmi Note 11 has 159.8 mm. Realme C35 has 75.6 mm in the width, while the Redmi Note 11 has 73.8 mm width. Realme C35 has 8.1 mm in the thickness, while the Redmi Note 11 has 8.0 mm. Looking at these two phones' weight, Realme C35 has 189 grams, while the Redmi Note 11 has 179 grams. If you look at the colors of these two phones, Realme C35 comes with two different colors, while the Redmi Note 11 comes with three different colors. Friends, now let us compare about the camera and its features. Realme C35 has a triple camera setup, including a 50 megapixels primary lens, a 2 megapixels macro camera, and a 0.3 megapixels depth camera, while the Redmi Note 11 has a quad camera setup, with a 50 megapixels primary lens, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, a 2 megapixels macro camera, and a 2 megapixels depth camera. If you look at the video resolution of these phones, both these phones supports Full HD resolution at 30 fps. In a comparison of front camera, Realme C35 comes with an 8 megapixel selfie camera, with a HD video resolution at 30 fps, while the Redmi Note 11 comes with a 13 megapixel selfie camera, with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps. Now let's compare the hardware between these two phones. Looking at the processor of both phones, Realme C35 comes with an Unisoc T616 chipset, while the Redmi Note 11 comes with a Snapdragon 680 chipset. In a CPU comparison, Realme C35 supports up to octa-core 2.0 GHz clock speed, while the Redmi Note 11 supports up to octa-core 2.4 GHz clock speed. In the GPU comparison, Realme C35 comes with a Mali G57 GPU, while the Redmi Note 11 comes with an Adreno 610 GPU. Let's compare the operating system. Realme C35 comes with a Realme UI based Android 11 operating system, while Redmi Note 11 comes with a MIUI based Android 11 operating system. Friends, let's compare the storage between these two phones. Realme C35 comes with three variants: 4GB RAM with 64GB storage, 4GB RAM with 128GB storage, and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage, while the Redmi Note 11 comes with three variants: 4GB RAM with 64GB storage, 6GB RAM with 64GB storage, and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. Both these phones comes with the memory card slot. Friends, let's compare the battery between these two phones. The battery capacity in Realme C35 is 5000 mAh, and in the Redmi Note 11 also has 5000 mAh. Realme C35 supports 18 watts fast charge, while the Redmi Note 11 supports 33 watts fast charge. Now let's compare the rest of the connectivity and features in these phones. Both these phones comes with an USB Type-C port. Both these phones comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. Both these phones doesn't have NFC support. Realme C35 doesn't come with an IR blaster, while Redmi Note 11 comes with an IR blaster. Both these phones doesn't support 5G network. Both these phones comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Both these phones comes with a Bluetooth 5.0 version. Friends, let's take a look on the benchmark score of these two phones. In an Antutu benchmark score comparison, Realme C35 has scored 187,040, while Redmi Note 11 has scored 269,010. Now let's compare price. If you look at the Realme C35, the 4GB 64GB variant is priced at 11,999 rupees, 4GB 128GB variant is priced at 12,999 rupees, and 6GB 128GB variant is priced at 13,999 rupees. Redmi Note 11, the 4GB 64GB variant is priced at 13,499 rupees, 6GB 64GB variant is priced at 13,999 rupees, and 6GB 128GB variant is priced at 15,999 rupees. Friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more smartphone comparison videos.